In this video, we will show you how I create a motion slide animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Circle, drag it like this. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate it. Select both, go to Merge Shape, select Intersect, increase size by pressing Ctrl Shift. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Rotate, select Rotate left 90 degree. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, click on Gradient Fill, select Preset Gradients, adjust Gradient Stops, select Linear from Type, select Direction, go to Effect, Offset Diagonal, increase Distance, Blur, Size and Transparency also. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Circle, go to Shape Fill, select Color, set it to Slide Corner, select this, set it near to black circle, duplicate the shape, go to Size and Rotation Size 260, duplicate the shape and decrease the rotation by 10%. Do it for all shape till it become like to Lotus. Also select background color, go to Insert, click on text box, write slide here, select and change the font, make it bold, increase the text size and change the font color also. Go to text option, go to shadow, select this shadow and change the shadow color also. Press Ctrl Shift, take it downside, change the font, select lowercase from here and also change the font color and write design here. Click on right button, duplicate the slide, go to first slide, select text box, place it to left side of the slide. Select this shape and rotation size 270 degree. Select each shape and make each rotation size 270 degree. Select all and deselect black circle. Go to Format, Align Center and Align Petal. Select second slide, go to Transition, select Morph. Increase duration size also. Now click on Slideshow. See friends how our motion slide animation looks like. It's amazing and very easy to create. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.